Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how can we fix the problem you cannot invite a collaborator on Instagram yet. If you are facing such type of the problem, so let me guide how to fix it. Now you have to open your Instagram first and then click on the profile at the very bottom right corner of the page. Then you have to click on the three lines at the very top right corner of the page and then click on the settings option here. Scroll down here, you have to select the privacy option and now click on the post option here, and here you can see that allow tags from. You have to turn it to everyone, and now you have to click on the manually approve tags here, and you can see that it is in on mode by default. You have to just click it off and then click on turn off and move back. Make sure that these all settings must be made by that person whom you are invited as a collaborator on Instagram. If this problem has been solved by this method, that's great, but sometimes it does not work. Then you have to just follow the next step. You have to report a problem by clicking on help and then click on report a problem, then turn off the share phone option and then click on report a problem here and then click include and continue. Here you have to make a short description about your problem, that hello Instagram, I am facing the problem that you can't invite it as a collaborator yet. Please help me in this regard. That's all. Okay, now you have to attach a screenshot of that problem, then just click on the send option here. Within 48 hours your problem will be solved. I hope this video worked for you. Just like this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guys see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.